guys, it's me, ShivDTA, back with another video. Today we're going to review another LEGO Friends. It is 6 Plus and set 41755. It comes with two characters, Nova and Zack. I believe it's called Pickle, that's Nova's pet. And this is like her gaming room. So you can see her bed, a little ramp, computer, some others, and a action figure. So it looks quite cool. I like the colours involved, and it looks like it has a gaming chair, which is pretty cool. Then if you look here, it has LEGO Friends logo, the set name, and it shows you the barcode and more information. Same here, more information here, and the set, what company it's made by. So yeah. Oh, sorry. On the top it says Nova and Zack, a life skill of Nova. I like her shirt. And some more really cool designs. And then there's Nova again, her pet, and Zack. And if you look at the front, well, let's go to the back first. So it shows Nova with some gadgets, and this is her gadget area. That's Zack with like a frisbee, I believe. So yeah, and it looks like they're playing a game right here. They're doing some like fixing here, and it looks like the bed opens up. I've spotted this on Zack. I want to see if there's a better place where you spot it. Yeah, here. It's a shirt which is pretty cool. It's a eat, like sleep, game, eat, sleep, game, eat. Pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, it's sleep, eat, game. But yeah, I do like it. So, this is I believe my 8th video for YouTube. So yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna open the box. Yeah. Oh, sorry. So I do like this set, and also I like gaming. It's pretty cool. Okay, so I wonder, my favorite game that I have is called, it's on the Nintendo, Lego Marvel Ultimate Alliance 3. But I wonder, what's your favorite video game? Like, is it any Lego game? Is it like a battle game? See, I'm curious for what is your favorite. The box out the way. Okay, so it looks like it comes with 2 bags. This is bag, comes with a Pickle and Nova, a sticker sheet, a light blue, baby blue base plate. Zack is in this bag, and these are the instructions. Show you the back. You can win some stuff. Yeah. And then, if you look here, just gives you the Lego Builder app, tells you what's in bag 1, bag 2. Then it tells you you need to have that base plate included. Nova has a cool design of her, and has Pickle, and it tells you where they live, and that's Nova's house. But they don't show you Zack because he doesn't have his. Yeah, he hasn't released a whole thing. So yeah, house, sorry. pretty cool instructions. I wonder where is Zach? Like, does he have a picture or something? I am not sure. I hope so. Okay. Just wait a minute, I need to check. Oh, seems like he does also have his little name, his figure, 3D version of him, and yeah, what he likes, and he comes with a computer. And then let me just, so this shows you all the pieces that's in the set, and this gives you all the main characters. So you've seen I've got a Leo and Leanne, but recently I've just got a Leia and Ollie, and this set comes with Zach and Nova. And the two I'm missing is Paisley and Autumn. But I like the artwork in Lego Friends, and they have really good pieces. So yeah, I'm gonna first open bag 1 and bag 2 out the way. But in bag 1, I'm gonna open it, and then then I'm gonna do the speed build. There's quite a few pieces. Yeah. Comes in like a pink, like a dark pink frog. And there's Pickle. Looks cute. I believe it's a disabled dog. Yeah. Feel so sorry for it. Oh, and the controller. Yep, can you see that? Yeah. It's a cool piece. See it? And before I do that, I might just build Nova, just so for a change. I'm going to build Nova and Prickle, and then we'll start. So she has a cool torso, has a gaming controller on it. She even has these pants with some green trainers. She seems like they've released quite a few different tones for the characters. But I like her face print. It's a good, unique one. Oh, and she has that feet thing. But her hairpiece is new, I believe. I'm not sure. And there's a hole to put an accessory in there. And then, yeah, there's Nova. And she comes with a little gaming phone. Yeah, looks cool. So I'm just going to put that on her. There. Now she is gaming with the phone. And then let's do Pickle. So he has, so you get to choose which one you like. But I'm gonna choose teal. I really like the color for it. There. Looks, and it can roll. Pretty cute. Yeah. So now we're gonna finally start. 3, 2, 1. Now. So, I just got the set finished. I really like the set, so I'll show you the characters first. So Nova appears to have like a blonde hair. She has like a top, an oval top, which has a game controller on. Some light blue pants and green trainers. Yep. And she has barely any printing on the back. Oh. Yep. So yeah. I like her character. She's a good character. And then there's Zack. He is the sleep eat game. Oh, can you see? Can you see the sleep eat game? So yeah, that's his cycle. And it just has some printing there. And some shoulder there. A blue sleeve there. He has red trousers with some pockets. And some navy shoes. Yep. And they both use new hair pieces and new face prints, which is pretty cool. So put those to the side. And then there's Pickle, has the wheels, so it can, don't think you can see, but maybe here, it can roll, but yeah, and this can still be attached onto pieces, so yeah, and it has a hole for accessory. Looks so cute. And then this is a side thing. It's like his wheels, or it could count as a way, and then she's trying to help his, it should be better. Then there's a hammer. I forgot the name of this, but there's like a little windable car, which looks cool. And some neon, a neon yellow top. So then if we look at the actual room, so on the table it has like a skull that is attached to there. To show you from here, there's a little an action figure, microphone. This is a PC. So yeah, there's a little frog, game controller, and then a computer with a rainbow keyboard and a light with two monitors, and she has a purple gaming chair and a good build. And there's a little gaming chair which is for Zack, and he comes with this this computer, and he has the keys, and you can close it up and he can hold it just there. Pretty cool. That's Lego computer that I have. And then just, yep, looks cool. And to me the little things look like the Bionicle thing. It looks like a Bionicle game. So yeah, cool. And then if I take that laptop out, so okay, I think you've seen the phone. Well, you probably have seen the phone come out, but this is her bed, and she likes to hide. She has like a frisbee under and her phone. This is a phone. Yeah. and then there's a little ramp to go up, so Pickle can just go up and you can attach him on. And there's a little dog bowl and a water bowl, like your food. And then there's this little wall with all her things, like a watch, a game trophy, some games, books, school books, a lava lamp, and a picture of Pickle. And the cool thing about this, she can move it out, and then it reveals like this thing. I'm not sure what it is. But I think it's like a romance book. I'm not sure. Then you just slide it in, and then she has like a cactus there, a cloud thing, 2 books, and a light strip, and a collectible, I believe, of a sword from this game. So yeah, I really like this set. It is I think it's one of my favorite Lego Friends sets. I built 2 others, but I might do a review of them. You might not know, but I am thinking of doing a part 2 this month of my creations that I made. So yeah, I'm looking forward to do that video and maybe some reviews of the old ones. The new ones that I've already built off camera. So yeah, please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And I wonder, what's your favorite Lego genre? And also, who's your favorite character from Lego Friends? Mine is Leo. Just really like his character. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and check out my other videos. Yeah, see the part 1 of my creations, and I got this evolution of Marvel Mix, which is good. And I got another Lego Friends set, if you're interested. And got 2 Ninjago ones, got a Marvel Lego set, and it's a comparison of the old one to the new one. So yeah, oh, and the spare parts that came in the set is this little, oh, can you see? It's like the black thing, and then another wind up toy pieces, the mouse pieces, a trophy piece, a microphone piece, a white handle, a transparent white and a clear, transparent blue, a dog food, I think I forgot to show you, but this opens up and it comes with 2 cans of these, and it has a little can opener and that. So yeah, pretty cool if I manage to get in. Okay, there. And it comes with a spare of those can things, that piece, and these 2. Oh, and these 2, and the final piece, that one. So yeah, I really enjoy this set. I wonder if you could find a way to either stack these up to make a pretty long tower, if you could. Yeah, I'll see if I can attach it onto the other one. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.